Just I'm opening the yesterday's prepared one only. So you can see it here. Okay, these are all the transactions yesterday we have already discussed. So and the another thing yesterday I explained was like in Firefox. Okay, just go to the settings and try to search with proxy. Before going to recording your script, it should be mandatory. Why it's happening? Yeah, let me open the browser again. Have you able to setting the proxy settings? Are you able to do? Why it's not? I'm trying to pressing yes, but okay. Okay, then leave it. I will try to show you with another browser. And before going to start our script recording, another mandatory thing was we need to install the certificate. Okay, we need to install the certificate in the Firefox. Okay, so if you are doing first time script recording, so first what you have to do is, if you are doing a first time script recording, if you can just click on start. Sorry, here we need to select the transaction controller and then we can just click on start. Here you can see this pop-up window, it is valid for only 7 days. Okay, so once you click on start, then only in the folder you are able to see in the certificate. Okay, in your JMeter folder, once you just click on start, then only you can able to see this CS certificate. Otherwise you cannot find this CS certificate. Okay, so how to add this certificate? Just to go to Firefox and click on, or you can also search with security. What happens? Firefox itself is hanged out. Yes. Oh my god. Okay. We'll see it's working fine or not. For HTTP requests, no need any certificate. Okay, that is very important. Everyone should remember. For HTTP requests, let me open Notepad and type those things. HTTP means it's a protocol, right? Yesterday we discussed HTTP means it's a protocol. For HTTP request, no need to install certificate. Okay, you can. Okay, no need to install any certificate. But for HTTPS request, then only we need to install the certificate because it's a security, right? HTTPS means for security purpose they are using this HTTPS protocol for all the URLs. Okay, that is the one other important thing. And here just go to settings and try to install certificate with me parallelly. Abba, why it's happening? Why it's not going? Yeah, another browser got closed. Yeah. So Just you need to search with certificates or security, anything is fine. Nothing is coming. What happens to this? Maybe it's a my browser issue in my laptop. Okay, just you need to go to everyone can open your Firefox browsers, go to settings and try to search with the certificates. Anyone can share your screen. In my system, I think Firefox is having some issue. Who is ready to share your screen? Yeah, here if you search with certificates, you can see this security devices and view certificates option. If you can click on this view certificates, okay, this pop-up window will opens, and in this pop-up window, you can see that authorities, authentication, and all these things, your certificates, all these tabs you have, you need to click on authorities. In authorities, I will remove this certificate and then I will show you how to install it. Okay, just you need to click on import and go to JMeter folder wherever you have installed. Go to bin folder. Okay, here you can see this Apache JMeter temporary root CA certificate. Okay, just you can click on install it and check these two check boxes and click on OK. So this is how you need to add this security root certificate, CS certificate. This is used for HTTPS applications only. So okay, so for HTTP applications, you are no need of this any this certificate, CS certificate. For HTTPS request only, you need this certificate. Clear? Any doubts? Anyone able to add this certificate? You want me to show it again? Go to Firefox settings, search with certificate. Okay, just click on view certificate. In authorities, if you have already certificate, then fine. If it was not already there, just you can click on import and you can just add the certificate and click on OK, and then you need to restart your JMeter. Just to go to file and restart. Okay, so once you restart, and another important thing I would like to say is go to JMeter just to go to wherever you have installed the JMeter and then open your bin folder. Here we are having different type of property files available in this bin folder. Okay, so JMeter property file, user.property file, system.property file, all these things we have different. Even report generation property file is also there. So why, what is the use of this property file means, whatever you want to include it in the JMeter, like wherever you want to include it in scripts or you want to include it in test executions, you need to add some properties here. Okay, just right click on this JMeter properties and click on edit with notepad. Here you can see different properties. Okay, so for example, I will show you any one thing. Uh, for example, so I would like to display the toolbar list like new, open, close, save. Apart from this, cut, copy, paste, expand, collapse, all these things. If you want to include it, just you can remove this hash. What is hash means? It's a comment in the JMeter property file, any property file, not only the JMeter. It was in a user dot properties, it was in system, or it was in report generation. If you can take any property file, here you can see all these elements. For example, if you want to include, or if you want to see the icon size by 30 by to 30, 32 by 32, so you need to remove this. You can see that properties there. It's like a whatever the changes you will need to appear or you need to see it on your UI, then all these things you need to enable it. Clear? And another thing I would like to include is So we are getting validation of our certificate while installing. Only 7 days will be shown. Okay, only 7 days will be the validity. But you need to increase it, like JMeter certificate will support 362 days. Okay, whole 1 year. So in interviews also it was very important thing you have to know. So the JMeter certificate validity was initially it was 7 days. We need to extend it till 362 days, 365 days. Okay. So validity. See here. I think you are able to observe here, right? The default validity for certificates created by JMeter. Okay. So here it was showing 7, right? I'm removing 7 days, I'm giving like 365 days, and you can save it. Do it with me parallelly, this certificate also, so that you are able to continue your scripting till 365 days without any issues. Clear? Able to follow, or you want me to show it again about JMeter properties? Just go to bin folder, right click onto this jmeter.properties file and edit with notepad. In this notepad you can able to see this validity is 7. You need to change it as a 365 days and click on save. Okay, right? Yeah. So then you can go to your JMeter. Okay. So yesterday we have prepared all these things, right, for basic script recording. So for HTTP request, no need of certificate, I told you, right? So but JPEG stories and HTTPS, how do you know? Yesterday we have copied the link. No, right? Let me show you. How do you know if it was has HTTP or HTTPS? Just try to search with JPEG store demo. Here you can able to see this link. So just you can copy this link and paste it in your notepad wherever you want. Okay, you can observe here it has a HTTPS. Then you need to use this um, CS certificate, right? You need to install the CS certificate. That should be mandatory. So let's start our recording. Okay, so before recording, you need to just select the test script recorders. Okay, and yesterday already I have discussed with you, right, about proxy settings. Just click on proxy and you can just verify the proxy settings was there or not. Here you have given localhost. Localhost means in our mission we are creating, right? That's the reason we are always use localhost. Localhost and 8080. Okay, and you have to check this option on. Okay, and you need to click on OK. Okay, so what I am doing was just to close this browser. After you set it, the same port you need to give it here in the port. Okay, and if you would like to include the domain, then you can also include this. No need to include the domain, you can ignore it. Anything, if you include it is fine or excluded it is, anything is fine. Okay, I will explain all this each and every option later, but for now we have created some transactions, right? Just I'm selecting the first home page and then I'm clicking on start. See here you can able to see. Okay, I need to restart the JMeter. Just a second. So there I have made some changes, right? After that we need to restart it. Maybe that's the reason I'm unable to see in 365 days. So definitely that is the one point I would like to include as well. Whatever the changes you are made in properties files or anything, you need to just restart the JMeter. Yes. And just I'm not changing anything, I'm clicking on home page and I'm just clicking on start. See here you can see that certificate has a duration validity of 365 days. Okay, so this is how you need to change the certificate. And here don't give anything, I will explain about these elements later. For now I am showing you the basic script recording. Just open this Firefox. Okay, wherever you have set a proxy you need to open that. And I have copied this link, right? Or yesterday you have, I think everyone is prepared that traversal flow document. I forgot to ask you. Anyone is prepared that one? No response. Okay. Yeah.
Hello.
So, yeah.
Yeah, Vidya, I prepared yourself, bro.
Yeah. I will ask you to show after the basic script recording. Okay. I
Okay, okay.
forgot to ask you actually. Okay. So this was my home page, right? Here I have selected all the home page requests are coming here. You can observe. Okay. So next what I will do is I am selecting sign in. Okay. And here I am clicking on sign in. Okay. And don't confuse it. First we need to select it on JMeter. What are the step? Next step is login, right? I'm selecting login step. I'm minimizing this and here I am giving J2EE. J2EE. Okay. I'm clicking on login. Okay. So this was my next step, third step, right? After this, click on fish. Okay. Just go and click on any fish, right? And the next step was select any one product. Okay. I'm selecting this product. And finally, I'm logging out, right? So here I am signing out. Okay, once you done whatever the steps here is showing, okay, once you have prepared this transaction, right? Once all the steps got recorded, you can check here it's recording or not. How to check? Just you can click on this or expand this elements if it is recording or not. Like this, you have to check it. This is the main purpose of script recording. Okay, so the basics in script recording was you need to add it a test plan with proper name and script name in proper way and all the this is very mandatory thing. That's the reason I'm saying you this many times. Once you recorded all these actions, you can click on stop. This is how we need to record the basic script, and once you recorded the script, you can save it. Okay, any doubts here? Able to follow the script recording? Okay, so I would like to show you another application as well. Okay, instead of JPET, I would like to show you. I am trying to adding you another thread group. Okay, sorry. In that my another application name was Web Tours. Okay, so let us try to. Yeah. Before doing this, what we have to do? Yesterday I told you, right? You need to. Where I have kept it that web tours. Yeah. You need to turn on the server, right? Before going to use, if anyone or if you would like to record web tours script, definitely you need to start the server. If you are not start the server, you can see the page like
It
this.
will not open.
Yeah, correct. Sorry. 127.0. Yeah, you can see it. You will see that the site can't be reached. Okay, once you start the server, then only you are able to see this particular application. You can check now. Okay.
Maybe proxy settings.
No, not the proxy. It should up. It just now it's got started, right? It will take some time, I think. Or maybe I missed.
You haven't set up in this Chrome now, proxy setting, that
No,
localhost.
no. I have not set it up, but it should show. I have set it up only for this, right? Proxy setting only in Firefox.
Yes. You are getting some error here. That is why you didn't switch the
Maybe.
proxy.
Having lot of disturbance. Please be on mute. Yeah, we'll see here. Sorry, I'm going to typing every time localhost 1080.
Okay, to record in
Yeah,
JMeter, that's why we have to use proxy, no? I forgot.
yeah. So I have removed proxy. Maybe the proxy reason it's not at all opening the server. So if you want to use web tools for your script recording purpose, you can use this URL. Let me ping this. Yesterday I gave you bunch of URLs, right, for demo applications. Everyone you have with that URLs with you, or anyone
Yes,
tried? Everyone tried to prepare that traversal flow document at least a few steps, and you can observe the difference. Okay, this web tools was not the secured one site. Okay, so HTTP is there. So we will record this script. Who is going to record this script? Just now I showed you, right? Anyone interested? Please, I will give you access. You need to follow the steps as it is. What I said. For example, SC01. This is different application, right? That's the reason I'm giving. Web tours. Next. What is my script name? First we will see the script flow. Okay, I am going to home page and then I am clicking on login with Jojo is the username. I will ping you the usernames as well. Jojo and Bean. These are the two usernames and passwords for WebTours application. Okay, Jojo or Bean. You can remember this. For JPET store, okay, username was J2EE and password also J2EE. Okay, so you can note it down. And I'm entered as a username Jojo and password as a Bean. And just I'm clicking on login. And I'm clicking on flights. Okay, after click on the flights, what I'm doing, just I'm changing the arrival and departure location. Okay, and I'm selecting the time as well. And here I'm changing the number of passengers, and aisle I have selected, type of seat first I have selected. I'm clicking on continue. Once I clicked on continue, here one page was came. Here it's displaying the flight number and the time. Okay, I'm selecting this flight number and I would like to start at 5 p.m. Okay, I'm just clicking on continue. If you can enter the details, you can enter all the details as much as you can, so that you will get more idea, like why we need to use this or this particular fields or particular information. Credit card information. Okay, and my expiry date was some 12, 24 or 25. Okay, I'm just clicking on continue. My invoice. Okay, thank you for booking this web tour. This is my invoice. Okay, after I came to this invoice, I'm clicking on sign out. So this is my script flow. Who is going to record this? Just I'm sharing screen. I will give you an access. Who is going to? No one is ready. I will guide you as well. I will tell you. My script name was flight booking, right? And
Vidya, I'm ready.
Gangadhar.
Raghavendra.
Okay. Can you? I'm giving you a permission. Okay, you can start. Take. Just a second. You can take control and you can start. You need to follow the steps.
Yeah.
I will tell you the steps. You can just add the transaction controllers.
Okay.
Yeah. Try to right click on it. Not there. Not there. Already I have created, right? Script. No. I have already added web tours.
That's good. No,
No. No.
web
Yes.
tools, right, right.
Uh, In logic controllers, we are having transaction controller. You have added
Okay,
the
sir.
recording controller. That is also fine, but Yeah, you can no, you can use this transaction controller. I will tell you about recording controller later. Logic controller and transaction. Second one, top second. Yes. First, you can add all the transaction controllers one by one. Just copy it and paste as much as you can. You can add little more because our script was little big, I guess. Yeah. So for now, you can remove recording controller. We'll discuss that recording controller later. Yeah. In in the transaction, you can copy that script name first, and you can paste that in everywhere. Like yes, you can paste it on. I think better you can remove all the transaction controllers and paste it that. Copy
Yeah.
it. Yeah. Select till shift and select all. Shift and come down. Yes. Remove that and you can just copy paste the above one. That will be easier. I feel. Yes. You can paste it. Yes. Yes. This was the simple way. Yeah. And fly after flight booking, you can add underscore. First was home. First you can add for first one. You are adding for second. Yeah. Underscore T01 for T for transaction. Don't confuse here. T for transaction, one for first transaction. Okay, home page. Next, second one was huh,
Mm.
and the second one was T02.
Login.
Yeah, everyone should interactive. I think. I first I have explained right. Everyone you can discuss and you can tell. Next step is what? Click on flights. No one is remembered the flow. Previous batch members as well.
No, we remember. We
Oh,
remember.
oh,
But
at
we are
least
giving
try to
explanation.
speak now. At least try to tell the steps.
My traversal document got missed. That is why I am not saying anything.
You have to prepare it again. Yesterday I gave you many links.
Yesterday, yes. Yesterday I was not pretty well. That is why I haven't attended the class
Hmm.
also completely.
Okay,
So
select a flight. You need to write a select a flight. Like,
yes.
otherwise, you need to like arrival and departure. You can also enter. Select a
I
flight is fine. Yeah.
actually have created one. So I thought to show it to you.
And next, uh,
Departure
I
arrival.
think after you selected, you click on continue. So every click we need to consider as one transaction. Okay, Raghavendra. So we
Yeah.
can, yeah, you can change that locations and click on continue. So that no, uh, already you have selected the flight. You can select the flight, I guess, different locations and continue. Click on continue. So what is here? What you are doing? Selecting the time, right?
Hmm.
Selecting the time. Yeah. Otherwise, select the flight also fine. No,
Sorry.
you can write there in the transaction names in JMeter. Yeah, selecting flight was done, right? Select the time.
Hmm. Next. Continue.
Huh. No need to write continue. I told right every click. So continue instead of continue, we are using selecting the time. Why? Two continues is there, right? That's the reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of selecting the yeah, here also another continue is there. So you need to
Payment
type it
details.
as a payment details. And you missed the transaction name. You need to write
Yes.
it T06.
T06.
Yes.
Everyone, everyone, please practice script recording. Otherwise, I think in interviews they are asking you to share your screen and start recording the script. You need to follow the proper way, and I will also suggest you, like, I will tell you creating the template. So I will explain you how to create the template, and you can use the template as well.
Invoice, should I write it here?
Next, after payment details, log out.
You can
Select location.
No,
you
no,
can
no.
write. It is invoice only, no, Vidya.
No, actually, can you go back, like,
Okay.
after entered your
Already the invoice
payment
got
details,
generated.
yeah, after entering the
Already.
payment details, already invoice got generated. No need to write
Yes,
it
no
anything.
need to
If you
write the invoice.
anything, yes, you need to just log out.
Log out. Just
Yeah,
sign out. Sign out.
sign out. Anything is fine. So this is how you need to prepare it first.
Like before clicking only, we are making traversal document. Why? Because like before clicking, we are writing the transaction name, no, over there.
Yes, that will be good, I think. So after
And
clicking also, you can write the transaction name, that to avoid the confusion, like whatever the
yes,
whatever you feel comfort, you can follow that. Just you can save and remove other transaction names.
as per our sorry, traversal flow, I have already like named that transaction controller. Then after that, I have started recording it
Okay,
by editing.
Raghavendra, 1 second, 1 second,
Yeah.
Raghavendra. Just to remove that unnecessary things, right? After 7, you are having 5 flight bookings. You can
Extra,
remove
yeah, yeah.
that. So you need to keep that script recorder. Yes, you can remove only that things.
Yeah, no.
And you can save your script. Always you need to save your script. Otherwise, what will happen? Definitely the script won't save and you lost the script, recorded script. Okay. And before going to start or selecting this, what you have to do is you need to go to Firefox, and you need to again check the proxy setting. Yeah.
Proxy setting.
Yeah. Settings. Not here. Go up. Left side. Sorry, right side. Yeah. In settings. Yes. Try to search with proxy. Hmm. No, try to search with proxy directly. Those are fonts, right? Yeah. Network settings. You need to go to network settings simply. You need to select the manual proxy configuration. And there you need to type it localhost, and the default port was 8080. And you need to check that option. Also use this proxy
So
for HTTPS. If you do not, just a second, if you do not check this, also use this proxy for HTTPS. If is there any HTTPS request is there, it won't records. Definitely you need to check that option and then record. Okay.
it's got recorded now because it was on no proxy, no.
Yeah, it was a no proxy, but sorry, it was a not HTTPS. If it was a HTTPS, then you need to definitely check it this.
Okay, for
Okay.
HTTPS it is. No problem.
Correct.
The JMeter is got recorded or not? Can you see? Can you show us once?
Yeah,
Not
sure.
recorded.
I will remove this. Okay. Because it was HTTP, right? No need of this. Just and if it not records, I think we need to do some priority settings. As I told, I will tell you that settings as well. Just you can. I think you have started recording. No, right? You can go to
No.
JMeter and click on start. Go to
Okay, it is
JMeter.
started.
Yeah, you can click on start. Okay, the port was same. It should be same. Yeah, click on OK. Yes, you can go to browser. Go to your yes and
Yes.
refresh the page. Already the URL is there, just refresh it. Yeah, home page was done. Again go to JMeter. Yes, and select the another home page. Already we have no, not there. Yes, you scroll down. you need to select this flight booking. Okay, you have written the names, right?
Login.
You need to select that. Yes, you need to go again browser. Login only you have selected. You need to go to browser and login. Okay, you can go to JMeter again. No, not that. Yes, you can check left side. You are getting. You can expand it that login. Not here. Give me a control second. So you can just a second. Just a second. Give the control. Don't move your mouse. Okay, see here. You are able to recording or not? You can see it here. Okay. This, if you get, you can observe these differences between unrecorded transactions and recorded transaction. If the transaction got recorded, you will get a number of requests here. Okay, and proceed. After login, what you're doing, clicking on flights, right? Just click on that, select that flights. Yes. Best way is use the keyboard. That will be little faster. Yeah. Again, go to Firefox and click on flights. And yeah. Next again, select that. Select flight. And again, go to Firefox and departure city. You can select anyone. Different one. Arrival should be different and yeah. Proceed. Yes. And here you need to select the time. So go to JMeter again and you need to, yes, select the time.
Select time.
So this script recording, you have to do it in a minute. Okay. So everyone, I think you are keeping experience like 4 plus 5 plus, right? So the basic script recording, you need to do it in a seconds, I think. Whole thing you have to do as quick as possible. So that the
How much
interview, sorry?
how much minimum time we should maintain to record a script, like a basic script?
It's not like that. If you practiced very well, it will be very fast, you know. Like in a seconds, we can record it. Okay,
Okay.
they will
If
get to
what
know.
is the,
If you will record very slow, they will get to know that you don't know minimum basics.
yes,
Yeah,
obviously.
obviously. That's the reason I'm telling you this much, this many times. Please record because the basic script record should be very important. Go to JMeter Raghavendra. 1 second, don't click on that. Yeah, after selecting time, you need to change this right in drop down. If you miss this changing, what
Payment
will
details.
happens? Yeah, if you miss this changing, what will happens? You know, these payment details requests also stored in the time, like select time request itself, so that you will get more confusion which request is for what.
I think he clicked the payment details already.
No, it is
Yeah,
properly
correct,
there.
correct. Yeah, you
I
can go
changed it.
ahead. Yeah,
It is
and
correct
sign off.
only. I changed it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
say. Okay, you can stop the recording from here. Yes. Go to JMeter. Yeah. This is how you need to record the script, but it should be very fast. That many times you have to record. That's the reason I have given you a 4 or 5 applications. The script recording should be very fast. Tomorrow I will ask you and I will see the time also. In how many seconds you are able to record the script. I will give you a task, this one. Okay. So, okay, I'm taking the control.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is how you need to record, and this was the basic script recording. Okay, and I will add you more elements. Okay, so in depth way also I will add you more elements. Don't confuse and don't hurry. I will tell you one by one, slowly. And I am trying to adding you another thread group. Okay, for example, you asked me yesterday, right? Why you are using this transaction controller, madam? Without also we can do it, right? Yes, without transaction controller also we can record the script. Okay, I will tell you how to record it. Okay, this one I am giving you like without transaction controller. Okay, so I'm not giving any transaction controller. Directly I'm trying to recording the script. What will happens, you can check. Okay, already proxy settings was, everything was there. I'm trying to using this same thing like web tours only, but I'm trying to recording without any transaction names. Okay, see, just I clicked on this login. Okay, and you can see here what happens. Okay. Okay, just a second. For this, to avoid this issue, to avoid this unrecording things, what you have to do is just to try to remove the proxy and try to add the proxy again. Okay, and yes, just what I'm doing is I am trying to, sorry, here I got selected this. Okay. I'm selecting directly like without transaction controller. I'm selecting. Means what is this without transaction controller? This is a thread group, right? I'm not adding any transactions. Directly I'm recording my script in the thread group directly. Okay. You can see how it was. Just I'm clicking on starting recording. Okay. Just I'm refreshing the page and you can see it here. All the requests are directly came in this transaction controller. Next also, because here to change, I do not added any transactions, right? I'm not changing anything. I'm keeping that thing only and I'm trying to doing my actions. Okay, you can see it here. Adding, it started increasing. It was 127, right? So if I'm trying to clicking on flights, it's got increased again. You can see it. 28, 29, 30. Okay. So if I click on another things, and I'm trying to click on find fight, all the things step by step without opening the JMeter. Okay, why I am doing this? I'm not adding any transactions, right? If anything I have recorded, it will comes directly into this JMeter. Okay, so you are able to follow which request is for what if I record directly.
No.
No.
Right.
You
So to
fixed it.
avoid this, what we are doing is we are using transaction controller. By using this transaction controller, we are grouping each and every action or each and every step and we are keeping into one transaction controller. That is the purpose of transaction controller. Clear, right? If I not used, I don't know which request is for home and which is for login and which is for what. Okay, this is how you need to record the basic scripting. Okay, next step, I would like to tell you the next step. Okay, and if you are trying to recording your script but you are not getting anything, okay, all these requests are not at all getting, you are seeing like my application was not working, what you have to do? Okay, I'm stopping this first of all. Okay, what you have to do is I will tell you the 4 different ways. I'm
External
removing,
applications. External
yeah,
tools.
I'm removing this proxy. So we are having different types, right? So first thing, first preference, definitely if you do not, for example, in your few companies you are unable to install external tools, even fiddler also you need to ask the access for them. So to get the access to installing, it will take longer time, right? To avoid that, just use F12. Okay, F12 is the developer tool. It is available freely. Whatever the browser it may be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, IE, anything. Okay. You just click on network. Okay. And just I'm trying to clicking on refreshing the page. This was my home page, right? See here, all my home page requests are came here. After this, I'm clicking on login. Okay, and I'm clicking on flights. All the requests whatever we are getting, I mean whatever we are seeing in this JMeter, all this request we are also seeing here in this browser also. Okay, but you need to click on the network. Network means network traffic. You can see this up arrow and down arrow. Up arrow is for we are requesting to the server and getting the response from the server. This symbol indicates that. Okay, and I am selecting different locations, and I'm clicking on continue. Okay, and again I'm clicking on continue, and again I'm clicking on continue. This was my invoice and final page. I'm going to signing off. Okay, so you can see here you have used JMeter for these web tours, but you are unable to record. Then you need to come to open to any browser, whatever it may be. It was Chrome, Firefox, IE, anything you can use, and you can try to click on F12 developer tools in your keyboard, and you can see all these things. Okay, so just try to select all. Sorry. Try to select all. If you are unable to select, just you can try to right click. Here you will see the option like save all as a hair. You can see the second option. Save all. Save all means all this request will saves. If you can select only copy, then it will copies only URL whatever you want. But if you click on save all as a hair, it will saves all the information in one file. Okay, just click on save all as a hair. Okay, I am trying to saving in one particular script location. Okay, so I'm saving all the information. I'm maintaining one folder. Please try to maintain one folder. Okay, for this was my suggestion. Okay, just I'm trying to opening my JMeter, and this is for what? This hair file is for what? Web tools, right?
Yes.
Yes. So you need to select it, save it as a HAR, hair. Clear? Here you need to select all files and you can save it as a hair. Just click on save. Any doubts here? Any confusion? Saving all these things.
What is this abbreviation for hair?
Abbreviation for hair, I don't know, but
Okay.
I will check it on internet and I will let you know.
No problem with it. Thank you.
HTTP
Yeah.
archive format.
Yeah, correct. HTTP
Short
archive
form
format.
of HTTP.
Yeah, correct. So this is the archive format of HTTP. So if you click on this, where I have saved in this, right? So just go to that location, JMeter script. You can see here, web tours, HTTP archive file here, the type also it's showing. Okay, what you have to do is just you need to drag and drop it here directly. No need to do anything. Okay, just you can keep this side by side, or you can directly file open, anything is fine. You can drag it out and drop also fine, or you can also just open this like this. Go to your folder and JMeter script and
This
cancel.
convert to JMX
Yeah,
file.
yeah. I think it should open. Oh, actually, if we can drag and drop it out, it will directly drag and out, but uh, it should drag and when we do drag and drop also it will works fine. I think that is for load
For
runner.
question you said you have
Yes,
to
yes,
convert in Blaze
correct,
converter.
correct. Because in load runner we can drag and drop, it will directly converts. But JMeter we need to use a converter.
So one disadvantage we got it here.
Correct.
Blaze converter.
Blaze blazemeter.com. Okay, I'm pinging you this URL. Please use this, everyone. Okay, and for load runner, we can directly drag and drop it. No need to change anything actually for load runner. Okay, so here you need to choose. It will again time taking only, right? Because there is no other option. Just we need to download it and you need to convert it. Where is JMeter scripts? Okay, you need to open this. Okay, this was har file I have opened. Just you can convert. Okay, if you use this F12 developer tool or HTTP watch, I will show you the HTTP watch. Okay, if you want to download the log, you can also download, but we need a JMX file, right? So we have downloaded this JMX file. So once this downloaded, I'm trying to opening from that downloaded location. Where is that? Okay. Yes. Just this was our downloaded file, right? You can just open it and you can see it here. All the different elements also added. For now, you can forget about these things. I will tell you what is the purpose of these elements. Later, I will explain you. Just you can see here. And another good advantage is with this hair file conversion, there is no unwanted URLs like not related to our application. You can simply observe this is our direct application URL, right? All these URLs are our application, but here another confusion is there. You can check that confusion. What is that? There is no transaction names,
All
right?
are coming in one time.
Yes. So we don't know which one is for what. That is the one disadvantage with this type of recording. I will tell you later about this thing. In coming classes, we can see in deeper level what is the purpose, why we need. Okay. And the second thing, if you can use F12 developer tools is fine. That is the first one. And next one was Fiddler is there. Let me open the Fiddler. If you use Fiddler, another disadvantage is like lot of unnecessary requests we are getting. Lot of unnecessary requests. Okay. So already these much unnecessary requests are came defaultly. So if I try to record it or if I try to change anything in the browser, okay, for example, I'm doing all the actions one by one at a time. Okay, just I'm selecting different locations. I'm clicking on continue and again continue, and then logging out. Okay, what happened? It's got not recorded. I think you need to use the Chrome for this. That is another mandatory thing for this Fiddler. 127. Yeah, can check it now. See here. If you use Chrome, then only it will work. And see here, unwanted URLs. You are getting more unwanted without anything. Okay, Jojo is the username. Bean is the password. I'm clicking on login, clicking on flights. I am changing this location, arrival and departure. Clicking on continue, and then signing off. Okay, so you can see all the requests are got in Fiddler, right? Just you can select all and right click it and save selected sessions. I think instead of save selected, you can directly go to file, save all sessions. What happens? Yes. So it's saving in sales. Instead of sales, you can also have another option. I will export sessions, all sessions. Okay. Export session, all sessions. You need to select HTTP archive. Okay. HTTP archive means what? Again, har file, right? Correct?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. So you can select anyone is fine. 1.1, 1.2, any version is fine. If you directly save, what will happen is it will save in .saz. Okay. .saz format. If that .saz format is not supported by JMeter, it will supported again by load runner. Clear? So
Okay.
I am saving it on desktop like sample web tools script. Okay. I have saved it. Done. Again, what you have to do? You need to use again
Play converter.
converter.placemeter because it has already saved in har file. This is also another way of recording using fiddler. Convert. It's converting, and once it converted, it will opens.
The JMeter supports SSZ format.
No, that's the reason I told you you need to export it as a hair file.
Okay.
SSZ format load runner will support. Okay, so I am removing all these things. Or okay, I will try to open the whatever we have downloaded. Again, it got downloaded in downloads. Okay, so sample web tools script, right? I have saved. Just I am opening it. Save the test plan. No, I don't want to save it. Okay. Oh, I think it's not overwritten. I need to click on yes. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so here you can observe one difference. Different URLs also came and our request also came. So if you use Fiddler, that is fine, but in Fiddler, unwanted requests are more. If it was a small application, then fine. But if it was a big application, you will get thousands of URLs. Okay, that is the another bad thing with Fiddler, but it was okay. Fiddler was good external tool only, but we need to keep more efforts. And we are having another tool as well, right? I told you, bad boy, bad boy. Compared to all other tools, I feel bad boy was good. I don't know how you will feel as well. Okay, the advantage with bad boy was, I will show you. Just the advantage is just here you will have record, stop, all these thing options. Just you need to click on start recording. So you can see it here. It started recording, okay, in above. So here only you need to give the link. You can see the steps directly here also. You know, it was very good thing. Here only you can see the steps, and here only you can do the actions side by side. Left side you can see all the requests. Okay, just click on even unnecessary URLs will not comes here. That is a very another good advantage with bad boy. But this bad boy was, I mean, if bad boy implementation or a developer was not at all releasing the new versions, that is another bad thing. But whatever it may be, we are getting our requests without confusing, right? That is our main purpose. Just you can click on continue. At least you know, right? Okay, if I click on this, I got these requests like this, right? Just you can also, I think, rename uh, or you can add the parameter. I feel where I added, it's added. I don't know where it's added. You can give it like a comments also, I think. Insert step. You can insert stepwise. Okay. In step one, for example, let me show you. I would like to stop. No, stop. What I will do is I'm removing all the steps. Okay. I will start it from, or I will close it and I will open it again. I will show you from starting. Yeah. So here in step one, for example, this is my home page, right? For home page, I have added one step, and you can just right click, uh, add a step just before we saw, right? Where is that? Insert step. Okay, you can see here. In this step, you can also rename, I guess. You can easily remember, right? So Jojo, Bean. In step two, what happened? Actually, network got disconnected. Yeah. So Where it's recording, all the requests are getting recording, but somewhere it's recording. Where it's recording, not at all recording. Sorry, I have not started, I think. I need to click on start. In step 2, I'm clicking on flights. Why it's getting in step 1 only? Record here. Okay, you need to click on flights. Okay, and again you can add another step. Okay, and just right click, record here, and you can add another steps. So each and every, at least you will get an idea, right? Okay, this is for home, this is for login, this is for different one, something like that. You can insert another step and you can record here. So you can select any one flight and then continue. Like this, you can add your steps however you want. Right click and record here. Just signing out. Okay, so and another advantage with this bad boy is you can save completely as a JMX. Export to JMeter. Okay, and you can also save it as a XML also. That option is there, and HTML report, different options we have. But for using bad boy, you can export it to JMeter. Okay, so directly it will saves in JMX. There is no need of conversion, no need of anything. Okay, let me open that. Where desktop, right? I have saved in script.jmx. Just I'm trying to open it. Yeah, you can see here. See here, we got different steps. At least you will got an idea, right? Okay, this is home, this is login, this is this is for this. Like this, you will get a what I can say, different I mean steps. But another thing is you can observe. Next step means it got a loop controller, right? So we don't need this loop controller. We need a transaction controller, right? You can change it later. Sorry, again got again disconnected. You can change it like this was a loop controller it's showing. You can just try to add a transaction controller and you can move all this request to transaction controller. Okay, so this is how we need to use different external tools. If the script was not recorded in JMeter, you need to use this different type of external tools. And another type of tool also we have. I will show you that tool. Okay, just open your Firefox browsers, and if you can find out the extensions. Where is extensions here? Anyone know where the extensions was added or something? Uh, Otherwise, I will show you in this Chrome. In Chrome, this icon will be there. Extensions. Okay. If you can just pin, see here, HTTP watch is there, right? If you click on enable, okay, the HTTP watch yesterday we have installed, right? It will appear here and you can pin this. You can see it here directly. Clear, right? So just you can click on this HTTP watch. So the HTTP watch page will opens. This is the another way. Okay. So it got already started recording. Just you need to refresh the page. You can see here all the requests are coming, right? And just try to enter the Jojo Bean and login and see here. Yeah. So coming. All the requests are coming at a time. Okay. Again, you need to save all these requests in a har file. Okay. Here also it will little bit confusion which request is for what. Okay. So this is the another HTTP watch we have used. But my suggestion is for basic learning purpose, use bad boy. Okay. Why? Because if you get all the requests, then you will get more confusion, right? Which request? If coming to advanced classes, I will explain how to identify which request is for which one, like that. Okay. Any doubts here with this? Once you recorded this HTTP watch, you can stop it. And by using these external tools, we can also check that which particular page is taking how much time. For example, I am clearing this. Okay, I am going to Chrome browser. I'm clearing all the things. I started recording. Okay, for example, I want to see home page how much time it's taking. Just you can click on reload. Okay, you can see here how much time it's taken. 1.433 seconds it's taken for home page. Clear? Okay, and you can also
Yes.
tell the clients like this request is taking 0.565 seconds. Okay, and you can also tell this particular request is taking this time. Particularly also you can tell like page loading time, we can call it as a. Okay, so how many bytes it's centered? 2458 bytes. You can tell them, and you can tell them like 8 requests centered for home page. You can give a screenshot also, fine. Okay, this is how we need to see the browser renderings. We can also call it as a browser renderings, page loading time, or browser rendering time. All these words are same. For example, I'm logging in. I would like to see how much time it's taking for login. Okay, just I have clicked on login. You can easily identify it. In between, you can till here it got completed, right? So from next it's got added. Every time what you have to do is you need to clear the cache, otherwise each page you cannot know like which page is taking how much. Just I have clicked on flights. See, for clicking on flight, 0.898 seconds is taken. Okay, these many requests are sent. And for example, I'm clearing again. I'm trying to see for selecting this particular flight, and I'm clicking on finding the flight. Once I click on finding the flight, this is my response time I got. Okay, 2 requests got sent, and these are the 3 requests. You can check for this particular request the time was taken more compared to other two. Clear? Any doubts? You can also see this thing in F12 developer tools, but compared to F12 developer tools, Fiddler, all these things, okay, why I am not suggesting Fiddler is for page loading times. Unnecessary requests also will get, right? We don't know. For unnecessary requests also it include the time. That's the reason I don't want to suggest. For example, where we can clear this all the sessions, just I'm selecting and just deleting. Okay, I have removed all the things. For example, if I clicked on sign out, okay, so now we got a sign out only, but sometimes different requests also came. Okay, here you cannot see like for total response time, particularly we cannot see it on Fiddler. For different like this request, okay, this was the time taken. For this request, it was the time taken. It will not display like total request how much time is taken. If you want to check how much time is taken for both requests, you need to select it. Okay, it will little difficult to understand. That's the reason in every software company they are started using HTTP watch, or HTTP fox is also another tool we available in the market. You can also use that. Clear, right? And you can also observe another difference in bad boy tool. We can also see the time. Okay, see here. For example, this particular request, average time was this much and maximum time was this much. Like this, you can see it here. Okay. Ab- for each and every request, you can see it like this. Any doubts here? Okay. So, and the final one is last one. The last one was blaze meter. Okay, by using blaze meter also we can record, or we can also convert our script into JMeter. Okay, for sometimes even blaze meter also not working in script recording. I will show you. Just go to extensions and click on manage extensions. Here you can see. Oh, I have not installed. Yesterday I have explained about blaze meter installation. Yesterday I told you or not? I forgot actually. Blaze meter Chrome extension.
Not there with you.
Okay.
No.
Okay. So first of all, you need to go to blazemeter.com. Okay. Just you can try to log in with your account. Just starting now.
We did, I guess.
Yeah.
We
Registering
did.
part I have
We did the
explained.
registration part.
Yeah, we did
Yeah, the video
registration.
removed, no?
Yeah. Just you need to click on register and you can try to log in it with your Google account. Why I am saying registration, I will tell you. What is the reason for registering this blaze meter? Okay, so my registration was done. You can directly use your Google, no need to register separately. Okay, you can use your emails. I will give you. Yeah, I will give. Can I ping you this link? I think you can also add it to your Chrome. So try to click on that link and you can add it to your Chrome. This is a Chrome extension. Just you can try to add it to your Chrome browser. Okay. So once you added that, that extension will appears here. I think it was not added maybe. Okay, yeah, you can check now. I have enabled, right? So I need to ping here because I want to see this blaze meter in top of this. Okay, clear, right? Yeah. So just everyone is added, or I want to wait for some time. Just you can register your blazedemo.com and you can, yeah, okay,
Already did.
yeah, good. So just what you have to do is you can record your script easily with this blaze demo. Okay, just try to click on this. Okay, once you see this, you can see this pop up like this. You can record it, stop it, all the things. Okay, and once you log in, your name will display here, and just I am trying to giving my script name as a web tours. Okay, and just trying to recording. What I'm doing was I started recording 127.0. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, my test was started recording, and I am giving Jojo Bean. I'm clicking on login. Okay, sorry, I'm using caps lock. Okay, so once I clicked on log on, clicking on flight, I'm changing the locations, clicking on continue, and signing off. Okay, so all my scripts, I mean all my thing was whatever I need to do the actions, all the actions was got recorded. Okay, once I got recorded, if you want to add the steps you can add, not a problem. Here you can give home page, log in, log out, like that. Okay, once it was recorded you can click on stop.
I
What
did. It
happened?
was got stuck.
Okay, where it went. Actually, we need to save our project before starting recording, I guess. Yeah. Save project as a default account and default workspace, and my project was sample. No, Default only, huh? Why it's showing default? Here we can add something. Then only we can save as a yeah. Okay, so my web tours was done. I will try to save it. In which one you want to save? If you want to save Selenium, you can use this. If you want to save in YAML also, you can. So these are the other scripting purpose. You can ignore it. Selenium, all the things. Just you can try to save this JMeter. Okay. It started, whatever the script we have recorded, it got started, downloaded here. Okay. Just try to open it. Home, open, where it got downloaded in downloads. This PC downloads. Okay. Web Tours 1. Just see here. Okay. This is how you can check all your request. Only it got recorded one request. Just you can try to record it again, or you can try to record with different browser or something. I would like to record again JPET store. Okay, so this was my project name. I'm started recording and I have opened, like, I would like to give this link. Yeah, second step was login. You can also add steps like this. In login, you can insert sign in. Okay, and J2E you can give. Okay, so and next step was click fish. Add your step, and I'm clicking on fish, and I'm trying to log out. This is also the best way, like you can add all your steps, right? So simply you can save your script, I mean, in each transaction. So my script was recorded. I'm just stopping it. Okay. So it got loading and I'm trying to saving. Okay, in JMX format. Okay. So it's converting. This is also the another way of script recording. So any doubts here with recording with different tools? Okay, this is how you need to record it. It got saved or what happens? Yeah. Okay, it got minimized. So my JPEG store got need to saving this in JMX. So save one. It's converting. Once it converts, it will saves and downloads. Okay, and you can open it directly. That JPEG store script. Sorry, in downloads it got downloaded. So this was my pet store JMX. Okay, you can see all the here it will comes directly the transaction controller. Okay, it's not like bad boy. So first option I will suggest is try to record with Blaze meter. If it will not happens, use bad boy. Then also it will not happens, use F12 developer tools or HTTP watch or fiddler. Clear, right? Any doubts?
Okay.
I think
No doubts.
okay.
Not
Okay.
now.
So please try to record yourself with all the options. It was very important. In interviewers also asking many questions on this. Okay, what is browser rendering? What is browser rendering? Means simple thing. whatever the requests, all the things coming from the browser, that is called the browser renderings. It includes, okay, um, uh, let me show you. If I click on F12, okay, if I click on refreshing page, these are called the browser renderings. Okay, all the requests are called because it in from browser it coming GIFs, okay, and images. It includes all the things, right? All the elements it includes. So that is called like browser rendering. Server side response times means these GIFs, all these things we will not include. That is the difference between server side and browser. In browser, it includes images, zip files, CSS, PNG files. All these are the different like external images or external information we can call. That's the reason we are using external tools for this capturing the browser rendering types. Okay. So if you use our tools like JMeter or load runner, it will records only the server side requests only. Server side means whatever we are trying to hitting the main request, we can call it as. This is the main request. This CSS, GIF, all these things are not main requests. So these are all the browser renderings. Any doubts? I will tell you why we need browser renderings during the time of test execution. You will get more clarity. Okay, why we need to use these browser renderings? Why we need to report that to the client also. Hmm? So we can also call it as page speed tools. We are checking the page speed and browser renderings, external browser rendering tools. All these things are same. Okay, no need to confuse in interviews. So
విద్య అన్వాంటెడ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ లేకుండా ఏ
huh,
టూల్ ని మనం రియల్ టైమ్ లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం?
real time lo almost every tool will get unwanted request, but bad boy and blaze meter will not. mm, Mostly bad boy will not at all comes that unwanted request. 100% it will not gives you bad boy. Okay, and the next tool was blaze meter. Bad boy was there before blaze meter. Blaze meter was came recently. So use anything is fine. First
బట్
preference,
నవే డేస్
huh?
యూ కెన్ యూజ్ బ్యాడ్ బాయ్ నవే డేస్.
Nowadays rarely using because that bad boy was features was less. Like for example, I have added the step, right? Instead of coming transaction controller, it's showing loop controller, right? So if a new learner, they will confuse, right? Why it's coming loop controller if we added only steps. So to avoid that, I think best my suggestion is first preference use BlazeMeter. If it won't support, then you can use other tools.
ఓకే.
Yeah. So please, I'm saying this many times, don't get irritated. Please try to record your scripts, whatever it may be. You can, yesterday I pinged you many applications, right? You can use any application. You can try to record your scripts and you can try to speed up as much as possible, because the script recording was the basic thing you have to learn very quickly, and you need to record it in a seconds. The script recording should be in seconds. That is very important thing. Okay. Yeah.
యా విద్య.
Okay. So tomorrow, first 15 minutes, I will ask you to share your screens and you need to show you how many scripts you have tried to record it, which browser tools you have used to try it if the script was not recorded directly in the JMeter. And another task for you is from tomorrow I'm starting the script, right? Today also I'm giving you the time. Okay, you can try to uh, I gave you almost 5 to 6 demo applications, right? Please try to prepare a traversal flow documents for all the demo applications and be ready. Tomorrow we can start our actual scripting. Okay, I will show you the actual scripting, how to record and how to add different elements we have available in LoadRunner, right? I will tell you all the elements. What is the purpose of the different elements, all the things.
Yeah,
And I
Vidya,
will, yes.
I and this Devi We prepared the travel cell document. Actually, we wanted to show you.
Okay. Yeah. I'm stopping sharing. You can share your screens. First, who will go?
Yeah, Devi.
Yeah. Okay. Share your screen and show me which application you have prepared the traversal flow document.
Actually, first we prepared the e-commerce. Like I prepared the JPEG store and she prepared the Flipkart e-commerce, right?
Okay.
So this time we did that bank application,
Okay.
Parabank.
Okay. Yeah, sure. You can share your screen and show it.
Vidya, can you give me the access?
I already enabled the screen sharing. You can share and you can show.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is banking application, Vidya.
Okay.
Parabank transversal flow.
Yeah. Okay. 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 And how many different type of actions you have prepared? Uh, Can you scroll down? How many scripts we got
Yeah,
totally?
it's 6.
6. For all the things you kept one login and one logout, I think, right?
Yeah.
And you can add login and logout also separately, uh,
Okay, okay.
Devi. That will be good
Okay,
because
okay,
no
Vidya.
one will confused, right? So you
Okay,
can
okay.
include first step as a login,
Okay,
home page, open the home page. Okay, you can write it
okay,
like open the home page, and you can initiate it for sign up. That is fine. And after account created, right? You need to log out.
okay,
Hmm?
okay, okay. Okay,
And
Vidya.
yeah, and second step, first you need to log in and then you need to click on add beneficiary. After transfer amount you need to log it out.
Okay,
Okay, so
okay,
like that you can include so that you will also not confused.
okay,
Hmm.
okay.
The way you are prepared and your idea, everything was good. You
Thank
have
you,
to
Vidya.
prepare the traversal flow document like this. Others also I'm telling you, please try to prepare the traversal flow documents. I'm giving you time tomorrow as well. Yeah.
Another one, I have done the e-commerce application.
Yes. Okay. And you can also rename it in the sheet 1, sheet 2, right? In sheet
Yeah.
1, you can rename it like a Flipkart. And you can, sheet 2, rename it like a Parabank. Whenever I am, whenever I am trying to ask you to record or practice the scripting, right?
Mm.
At that time, you will easily open your document and you can start the scripts recording. That will
Yeah.
be easier for learning. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. And good work, Devi.
Thank you, Vidya.
Yeah, yeah. So I am also, if you share your screens and if you prepared it, if you are following class, I'm also get to know that you are following my classes and you are interested and you are practicing daily. That is a good thing, right? That's the reason I am telling you this much time. Please follow my classes. Please try to prepare all the things. I will also feel like encouragement. I will also include more points. Yeah.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah,
Can I
Jyoti.
not Jyoti, Tanuja?
Tanuja, you are sharing? I think
No,
Jyoti.
I am
Okay,
sharing.
okay. Once Jyoti done, you can share, Tanuja. Yes, you have tried for Parabank?
Yes, Vidya.
Okay. Yeah, you are did the correct one, Jyoti. Like you have included the home page account. Yes. Okay. Good. And also try to add like username details also. You can try to register with
Okay.
one user. Okay, you can try to register with one user and you can give like the username and the password.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, Vidya.
Tanuja, you also done?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, okay.
Anyone apart from Tanuja, Jyoti and Devi? Remaining, I will give you time tomorrow. You can try to prepare it.
Vidya, you gave this credential to this Paira Bank?
You can try
Bank.
to register yourself. It's a demo application only. That's the reason I gave you that many applications. Those are all demo applications. You can try to record your scripts with all the demo applications. You will also
It's
get
taking the
more.
registration for new account as well.
Yeah, you can. You can.
Okay.
Yeah. Tanuja, are you sharing or tomorrow you will show?
One second, one second.
Yeah, Tanuja. Okay. You have done for DHS, huh? Which one? What is this?
Demo web shop.
Web shop. Okay. Okay, great. So, okay, search region, books. Okay, these are all the categories, right? So, Tanuja, can you do one thing? Go up, go up for first script. Scroll up. Scroll up. And here you have written all the things, right? Like shop, computers, electronics, apparel, shoes. Okay, those are all called categories. Okay, you can name like search category.
Okay.
Okay, you can also tell search, like you can also add like add category or search category or edit category, delete, like that. If you are trying to open books, then you can make it as a open books, like that. Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah, and other things was good, Tanuja, great work. Okay.
Is
Yeah,
it
here
correct?
also search by desktop, notebooks, accessories you written, right? You can like search by category.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So, good work, Tanuja. So, I appreciate you, Jyoti, and Devi.
Okay. Thank
If you are, if you will start recording actual script, what will happens is, if you can see this document, you can easily start the script recording, right? Yeah. So, and again, once you prepared everyone other applications also, I will tell you which was critical business and which was not critical business scenario in tomorrow class. Okay.
I was thinking the same thing because when I created, you said this is not
Yeah.
critical business
Because,
transaction.
yeah, because you don't know, right? Which one, how to see which one is business critical and which one is not business
After
critical.
you said, then I got to know which is business
Yeah,
transaction.
correct, correct. Tomorrow class, I will start telling you the which one is business critical and which one is not business critical, and then we can start our script recording, actual script. Okay. So tomorrow
Yes.
I will take any one demo application and I will show you recording our actual script and how to do parameterization. Remaining things we have lot many things, right? Different elements also we have. I will tell you all the elements explanation, but for today you can use these external browsers and you can try to record, and please speed up of script recording, that is very important. Okay.